In this video, we're going to focus on how we can create a stacked circular proportional area chart in Chart.js 4. If I refresh this, you will see here it will nicely refresh and the borders will get the same animation, and of course we have like this semi-correct hover effect that will create, and of course here the labels. So let's start to look how we can do this. So let's start to look how we can create a stacked proportional circular area chart in Chart.js 4. So the first thing what we're going to do, and this is part 1, is to get our border template. To get our border template, you can go here to chartjs3.com, getting started, and this link you can find as well in the description box. Scroll down and copy this chunk of code and you're good to go. Next, if you want to get the source code of this video and many others, check out my Patreon page here. So what we're going to do here is, first of all, let's start to create a pie chart here. So I'm going to change this to pie, save, refresh. Alright, let's remove scales. We don't need this. Save, refresh. There we are. So now what I want to do is I want to start adding up here some values, or let's remove some values and create a few data sets. So in this case, I'm going to add up here 1. Put in here 2 more, and then what I will say here, well, this can be, let's say 12, and the other one will be 6. And this will be then, let's say C, and this is the B, and finally we have the A. And then here, we're just going to remove, I guess we can remove all of these, or they have no real value, but that's fine. So now, what we have is basically a multi-pie chart. Of course, this here, or multi-level pie chart, this is not what I want. What I want to do is I want to overlap it, and indirectly it's already overlapped if you look at it, but also not. So what we're going to do here is the following. Well, let's first give it a color, and I'll just make it, to make it easy, I'll just get any color you want. I'll take the green color here, put that there, and then delete this all. Then for this one, I'll take the bluish color. That's the second one here. And then finally, I will get the red color here and there. Save, refresh, there we are. So we have the green, blue, and red slice. And if you look very carefully, you can see they're not overlapping. It's just basically a donut slice every time stacking on, well, I'm not sure if stacking, but it's between each other. So it's multi-level. So what I want to do now is start to work on creating the plugin. I guess that will be in the next video. Now we have everything ready. Next video, we're going to create the custom plugin for this.